And reset. And reset. All right, let's start with that high block. So the first thing you're going to do is learn your loading position. So your blocking hand, say blocking hand.
Blocking hand.
It goes down by your belt with the palm up. Is the palm up or down?
Up, sorry.
Very good. And say chamber hand.
Chamber hand.
So it goes over like this. Say jam load.
Jam load.
Very good. So the bottom hand does the block, the top hand does the chamber. We're going to do it nice and slow a few times until you get the hang of it, and then we're going to do it with power. Ready? Bring it up and bring it back. Very good. Notice how this angle is coming down. Stands nice and chambered. Good. And reset. Nice load. And block. Nice and slow. Very good. And reset. And block. Very good. And reset. Okay. Now let's add that step. So touch your leg. We're going to get into that stance we practiced. We're going to already just start there. Now we're going to load. Now turn your body just a little bit. Good. So that's called twist. And now when I say twist and block, you're going to twist back and bring it up and yell. And reset. Good. Step, load, twist and block. Good. One more. Step, load, twist and block. Excellent. Good. Miss Kint is going to do 4 blocks with that hand. Follow along with her in your best stance. Ready? 1. And reset. 2. And reset. 3. And reset. 4. Excellent. Let's work on the other side. Say other side.
Other side.
Excellent. Take the other hand. Bring it down by your belt. Take the hand that was just blocking. Put it on top. Good. Your palms again are facing towards each other. Very good. So let's do it nice and slow. Bottom hand's going to come up. Top hand's going to chamber. Good. And reset. And load. Other hand. It's all right. And bring it up. Good. And reset. And load. Good. And bring it up. Height. Excellent. And reset. Let's add that stance. Ready. Step. Bottom hand load. Twist and block. Very good. And reset. Ready. Load. Step. Twist and block. One more. Ready. Load. Step. Twist and block. Excellent. Okay, follow along with Miss Kint. Do 4 of your strongest blocks on that side. Ready? 1. Nice and strong. Very good. 2. Reset. 3. Last one. And 4. Very good. Okay, ready, stance.